Welcome back to another video. Going to go do some creek missions. We're actually going to pick up Greta's little cousin, take him fishing for the first time. He's been fishing before, but just not with us. Teach him how to use some lures, go chase some big flatheads and stuff. Fortunately, this rugrat isn't coming with us this time. I don't know what she's just found in the boat. She found something. She's found a stick. But yeah, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Flynn and I have also started up an Instagram page for Nothing But Adventure. Go over there and give it a like and a follow, and we will be giving you guys little previews and stuff on the Instagram page. Catches. Lift up.
Is that
Snag.
What would be there?
Bit of mud. Pass it in. Pass the Stuart. What have you got, Max? He's weird.
Pardon? What is it?
Weird.
Would it be a flathead?
Nah, it's not I don't think it's a flathead. Get the net. Get the net, big fella. You're not going to believe this.
What is it? Barra?
No, look what it is.
Flathead?
No,
Stingray?
no. Extend the net out. You don't have long. You're going to have to scoot. Big scoot, big scoot. Ready?
Oh.
Big scoot. Get under him. Under him. Got him?
Yep.
Hey, Max, that's legal.
Pardon?
That's legal.
Really? No way.
I was like, matey.
No way I caught a crab. No way.
Hey, Max, what did you just get?
A crab.
I reckon he's legal. Just watch him. Have you ever got crabs before?
No.
So what did you just get, Max?
A crab?
Nice big old mud crab. Measured in at 17 across the top. Hooked him on the lure. Don't know how you did it. But yeah, Max's first mud crab, is it?
Yeah.
But on a lure. So we'll go home and cook him up for sale. Still got him, Max? Is he still there?
I don't know.
Real fast. Might have dropped him. Yeah, you dropped. Yeah, I think you dropped him, Max.
Oh.
One week later.
Now, the Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. About now, about now, about now.
deep.
Flathead.
No, big Brembo.
Big brim. How do you see that?
Just saw him. No, Grana.
Grana. Little one. I thought he dropped it. I thought he just dropped it.
No, you pinned quite well. Nice sharp hook. I can't do anything.
It's not even that big. You need to turn him.
No, just, you ready? Alright, just picked up this little grunter in the creek here on the Z-Man plastic. We're going to try and get a bigger one, and he can go back in for another day. Oh, only just been. I don't know what this one.
Flatty, alright.
What it, yeah, alright.
Little brim. Brim. No grana.
Little grant.
Grana.
Brembo.
No grana.
Another little grunter on the Z-Man. Blends yet to put anything on the board. And he can go swimming over there. Just picked up the rod to check if it's still there, and it's just gone off, and I don't know what it is. It's big head shake. It's just taken off. I don't think it's a jack because it swam away from the mangroves.
Very big flatty. What do you reckon?
It's heavy.
Flathead?
That's we've never had that happen before, Wes. It was coming in, you see it?
Oh, can't see a line.
Can you?
Hey? I'll move it if I have to. Mine's got hit as well, look. Look at his head. Starting to see a stingray.
Alright.
Have you seen colour?
Short little awful. That's alright. Oh, it's shovel nose.
Shovel nose.
Big shovel nose. You have to tail grab him.
Oh, you just.
Oh no, his mouth's at the bottom, that's right.
So grab him by the tail.
Yeah.
I got it.
Got him?
Yeah, like that. Feels like weird.
Yeah, it's a bit of sandpaper. Yes! Nice shovel nose. Alright, just got my first ever shovel nose on the live bait. I know you can eat them, but I reckon he's too nice to keep, so we're going to put him back in the water. mate. My update, buddy. He's off.